All right, so you're going to go to the Clever app. Of course, I'm on my computer, but you'll go to the Clever app. You'll go down and you'll find the app Pebble Go, which is right here. It looks yellow and has the word Pebble in pink and the word Go in green, okay? Once you go in, you're going to go to Social Studies. And then you're going to look where it says U.S. symbols.
U.S. symbols.
Oh, there you go. And then you're going to see where it says the Liberty Bell. And then you're going to read the story, okay? What you do is you just read each page, and then you go to the next page.
What does it mean?
Then you go to the next
Who
page.
made it?
Next page.
History.
Next page.
Where to see it?
Then if you want to read more, you can, but you don't really need to. Then you'll just
What
read
is
through. You'll just read through the story, and then you'll come back to Seesaw, and you will write one thing you learned about the Liberty Bell.
Home.